This is Team 26. My name's Jesus De La Rosa.
Hello, my name's Evan Archer.
I'm Wyatt Jordan.
And I'm Kobe Young.
And we're here to talk about our tracking antenna project. From our last video, we've made considerable progress, and we're specifically on the antenna design and the Raspberry Pi implementation. So we've completed all major milestones, such as weekly notebooks, our bi-weekly meetings with John Lewis, our director, which we're giving status updates on our project to. We completed our design discovery notes, which includes all of our technical details about our designs. And finally, we completed a full proposal in response to the proposal request. I will now hand it off to Kobe to talk about antenna design.
Yeah, so as Jesus just mentioned, we're currently in the process of designing and simulating our second antenna. We couldn't go with the first one that we designed because it didn't meet the gain and directionality requirements. And we're currently working on a fairly complex 8x8 patch antenna array. And due to this complexity, we had to meet with Professor James Aberle, where he did give us some pointers on how to reduce unwanted artifacts like grading lobes and impedance reactance. And we have also reached out to Professor Imani regarding on ways we could design different types of antennas like a series-fed patch antenna array, which might help reduce some of the losses that we're seeing. And so with the basics of the antenna, I will now pass it off to Evan to talk about the software.
For our software, it is done on a Raspberry Pi and Python. We've made some pretty good progress. We have written code that takes advantage of the omnidirectional antenna on the Pi already. And it goes ahead and it plots the signal streak that we're looking for. So the next step would be to use that in a servo and start mapping it around and start building our graphs, our functional graphs. And we are currently waiting for a antenna to arrive so we can use it similar to how our final project will be. And with that, I will pass it off to Wyatt.
So to date, we have put in a purchase request for 2 different antennas as well as a Wi-Fi module. When this comes in, we'll begin some testing, like Evan said, on how to implement it using the servo and the programming. Moving forward, next semester, we plan on finalizing our antenna and start implementing that, and then also building the frame for our final project. And once that's all implemented, we hope to get that done around March. So then moving forward, we could add in additional modifications that will help our project perform better in real world applications. Thank you.
Thank you.